How to update your contact information or account details through the Barclays app. To update your contact information or account details through the Barclays app, you typically need to follow the steps. First of all, go and log in into your Barclays app. In my case, I'm using a web browser. Either way, you could use an application as well. And once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and from the menu, especially related to the settings, profile, or account management, this option may be labeled as settings, profile settings, or something similar. And once the setting or profile section, you should find option to update your personal information or account details. This may include your contact information, address, email address, phone number, and other relevant details as well. Now select the option to enter or update your personal information. This will typically allow you to make changes to the details stored in your Barclays account. Follow the prompt to enter the new information you want to update or change. This could include updating your address, phone number, email address, or other contact details as well. So Barclays may require you to verify the changes you've made for security purpose. Now this could involve entering one-time password sent to the registered mobile number or using the biometric authentication to confirm the update as well. After verifying the changes, save your updated information to apply the changes to your Barclays account. Once the changes are saved, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the update have been successfully applied to your account. So that's how you can update your contact information or account details through the Barclays app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.